Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today we're going to plan out the week of March 10th. So last week, this is kind of how it went out. Today is actually Sunday. It is almost 10 o'clock, so I've got to get ready for dance soon. I'm going to take my sister and my niece to lunch because they decided to do it today, and then I just have work. I'm going to perm my son's hair later tonight, so busy rest of the day, but I wanted to go ahead and get this started. This week we're using a kit from Black Dog Sticker Co. It's kit 260. I got appointment labels. This is the sampler. I already got some stuff on there, and then this is the full boxes. So I am going to need a couple more scripts. I pulled some date headers that I had in my stash, some work scripts, and then for my home health client. So we are just going to go ahead and get started with this. So with these two sheets, since I only got two, I only have two thin washies here, and that's it. I think I'm going to put it on the top where the date headers go. So we will see how that looks. We have a pretty busy week. This week is the week that starts my two sons, all their sports. So we're just doing that. I did sign up my middle son for his soccer. So waiting to hear the schedule for that. And then my daughter starts softball probably next month. They don't usually start till April. So that's another thing to add to our schedule, which is already kind of packed, but we will make it work because it's what they want to do, and that's what I'm here for. Okay, so like I said, I did pull these little date headers. They're green and they have some silver foiling on them, and then I have some pink date header or date dots that I figured matched with the kit. So I'm just gonna lay these on top of there. And I'll put these ones down. This plan with me is gonna kind of be all over the place because I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to use since I didn't get a lot of labels. I did, but I got a lot of stuff to do this week, so I'm not sure how it's all going to fit. So we may be kind of jumping around. So if that's not your thing, totally understand. Let's do the sidebar first. Make sure we're in frame here. So this one says Lucky Charm, and then we just have a whole bunch of pattern boxes. I think I am going to use this over here for the top. I still feel like I'm fighting somewhat of a cold. My nose won't stop trying to drain. All right, so we have that. And then I did pull this one and put little date dots that I had from this Sarah Marie Stickers freebie. And I'm going to use that for my steps. I'm just going to lay that over. And then I have a label here that says steps. Like that. And then I'm going to put probably this little flag here for a little to-do list. She has a to-do script on the sampler. And I'll probably take some more of those dots. And then I'm just going to put one of these boxes for what I'm currently reading. I started an audiobook last week and I finished it, so I think I'm going to buy the second one and listen to that. But that's a kind of a cool way to get your reading in when you don't have time to actually sit there. I was just listening to it while I was cleaning on Tuesday, and it worked just fine. Okay, so on Monday, let's see, I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there's only 6 of those. 6 of those and 4 of those. So I might have to use some of these dots. Oh wait, here I have some of these dots. Oh, maybe those dots were from here. Maybe I didn't use those at all. All right, I'm gonna put a little tiny dot. That's not even gonna cover up anything. That's okay. So my husband works Monday. And then I'll work Tuesday and Wednesday. These are some tiny dots, but at least we can cover up some of the dates. I guess I could white them out. That would probably be smart. It's all right. Too far in. Okay, so Monday here. I didn't even pull any school scripts. What am I doing with my life here? Who knows? I'll leave that 8 o'clock space open for school. So in the evening, let's start with that. So we have gymnastics 4 to 7. So I'm going to put it a little higher because I always drop her off. And then we have track, which is new to us. That starts at 3:30. And then we have volleyball, which also starts at 3:30. They're going to go right from their school to practice. Like, I don't have to take them. So that'll be fine with that. Actually, let me switch these two. Maybe I will switch that one too because it's the same color. So let's do that and this since hers is longer. Like so. And then I have dance. So we'll use this pink one. Busy, busy time. And then I have my home health guy. Man, I really wish there was 7 of these. Maybe I'll just alternate. So we will put this here. And then home health. And I didn't pull out workout scripts. I don't know what I'm doing. Unprepared is what I am. So I'll do my workouts after I get done working there. Tuesday, I'll work 6 to 6. And then same old thing. We have track and volleyball. So I'll put that there and there. And then for my home health guy, do a little flag. Like so. And I think that's it for Tuesday. On Wednesday, it's going to be the same as Monday. So let me get one of these track. And I'm just using one of these little icons for track and field because I'm assuming they're going to run. There's other stuff that goes into it. There's like shot put and they throw discus or something like that. I'm not fully 100% because he's never done it. So, and then we'll have gymnastics. I might change out this one because I don't like the same colors right by each other. So we'll do that one there. And then that's it. So then we just have my home health guy. And then I will work out on these on Monday, Thursday, and Friday. And let's get a script. That's fine. Okay, I think that's it for those 3 days. Thursday, I need some dots. These are so hard to get on. I did my own nails. They look okay. It's a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. So definitely room for improvement there. And then Saturday I work at 2. And then Sunday, if I can get this off the paper, is another 6 to 6. So let's put this in. This, work at 2. And there. Okay, so Thursday is just track and volley again. So we'll put that right there. And also right here. Looks good. And then I do have, no, I'll have dance on Friday. So my home health client here. And then Friday is the same thing. Track and volley. Oh, those are the two. Might have to switch those around. So they're not the same pattern. And there. And then do another flag. No, I won't go to him on Saturday. I'm going to put this pink one over here, so I don't have two pink ones next to each other. Okay, put that down there, and this down here. And then, like I said, I do have dance at 5:45. So that'll go perfectly there. Saturday morning, not doing anything, just going to work. And then Sunday, I just work all day. So that is on my husband's discretion, what he does with the kids. But okay. So pretty busy. Let's get in frame here. I need a trash day. I didn't put these on because I didn't know exactly what, let's put on a little flag, what it was going to look like if I needed more labels or anything. So I'm going to put this at 7 because he will have to, my son takes out the trash before he goes to school. And then we have this pretty weekend banner. We can put that down. I feel like I'm going to rip it. I'm just going to put it up here. Not much of a weekend when you have to work, but that's fine. And what else do we have? To clean, I will probably do that on Thursday. So I will put a little box here. And then put some more dots there. Payday is Friday. I'll put a little pink box. There. Perfect. Oh, there's a little trash icon. We can use that. Let's go over on this side. And then, let's see. I don't think we have any appointments. I did have to go get a physical for my son last week for track. Okay, let's put some of these boxes down. Very bright patterns this week. Let's do here, because I want to put the school in still. And then, oh, that up here a little bit. And then we'll have to use a green. Put it down a little bit. And then let's do this one here. This is so cute. I love this kit. Do that here. Not much room. Oh, actually, let's do this. Let's put another one of these open boxes, and then I'll put my dots in there so I can write on it. That's better. And I'll put this down just a little bit. And then my weekend, I'll put this down here. And then we'll use the green one. I don't love that I ended on 2 flowers, but that's okay. And then we do have some extra boxes here. So this is going to be, are we still, okay. So this is going to be for what book I find. I'm going to try to get that second box. Or I mean that second book in that series. It was pretty good. It took like 7 hours, I think, to get through, which is not bad, but I'm gonna put some of these dots down. I don't think I have too many to-dos this week. I really need to fill out my passport papers. Really need to do that so I can get those started. And then that's the steps for the week. I do need to get school scripts. So let me find my school. I should have a, yeah. Figure out what we're gonna do with the school here. We have, see, there's not a lot of the same. So I might try just kind of a mix of them, I guess. I don't know. We'll put it in. So put that there. I'm gonna have to order some more of these. But then it's gonna be summertime. Kids are excited about that. I think right before spring break is like when they're really ready to be done with school. And then they get a little break and they're like, well, do we really need to go back? Yes, you do. And put that there. Try and alternate so I don't have the same. Let's do this one. And then we'll do a green one here. I don't think we're doing much for spring break. It's still real cold here. It's supposed to be pretty nice this week though, so that's good. But of course, the nicest days are 2 days I work this week. But we'll try to do something. We live like a block away from the ice cream stand, and that just opened up, and that's like the town's big thing. So we will probably try to go there. I think that's it, really. Oh, we need to get groceries sometime. That's for sure. Let's use this little flag, and it'll probably be, I gotta go today, which is Sunday. I didn't go, when did I say I was gonna go? Because that definitely didn't happen. Oh, Saturday, yesterday, yeah, I didn't do that. The camp got moved down, and then I had to run to Walmart, so I do need to fix those too, but it didn't happen yesterday. I'll probably just go get something for lunch and dinner today, or actually just dinner because we're taking my sister out and my niece out. So just grab something for dinner and then I'll go tomorrow. That sounds good. I'm just tired of buying groceries, if I'm being real honest. I just don't like it anymore. Okay, so I'm gonna put some dots here. I'll probably use some of these. I'll go ahead and put them on real quick. I usually only clean my house, like deep clean it once a week, and then it stays pretty good. Just have to pick up. But my daughter, is like a little tornado, and she loves everything. So she'll start doing something and then get distracted and start doing something else and then forget to pick up. So I always do one big clean a week. But that is going to be it for this spread. Again, the kit is $2.60 from Black Dog Sticker Co. I found her shop on Etsy, and she was pretty fast to get it to me. But I'm going to do this week, and I think I have 1 or 2 more of her kits. I really like how it is. It's good. It's good enough for me. I do think if I purchase again, I'll probably get some more labels because I need some for work and school and all that. But by the time I get there, it'll probably be summertime and there will be no school. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys have a great weekend, great next week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.